Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome back, with the fifth and last puzzle. In the additional, well, it's a puzzle page. This one, um, because in today's newspaper of Monday, January the 21st, 2023, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the Saturday edition. Well, I've already solved one puzzle, the binary, and there's one left, the Sudoku with 4 stars. Well, I don't think it's a 4 stars. We will see, because it has 27 printed digits. But this will be a number 5842. Yeah, 5842. 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one because it's indicated one indication with 4 stars. Should be a 1 star. But we will see. But for a 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see if this is really a 4 stars or a 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. Okay. Well, 3, okay. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the first column. 7 in the second column, so the third column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, 7, okay. 7, 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about 6. Okay. And now 1, 1. Okay. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 8. And now 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 4, 8. Need an 8. 8, 8. 2, 2. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or there in this column, here or there. We see another 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2, 2, okay. 7, 7, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, okay. Then 4, 6, 6, 6, 4, 6, and 8. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. Then look, we have a 6 and 8 in this row. So no 6 and 8 in this box. The 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. So 1 digit left in this column for number 4. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4. We have a pair, I believe. The 2 and the 4 in the first row. The 2 and the 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Oh, wait. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in the second row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For them is the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5, 5, okay. 3 in this column, third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square front of us. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 to 4, we have a 4 now in the second column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright. So 2 missing numbers now in the first column. For numbers the 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row. 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9, 9. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Then. 9, 9, 9, 9, yes. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row. Oh, wait. Need to wait here. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 4 and 8. We have 4 and 8 in this column, so no 4 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Alright. Okay. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 6, okay. And then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this column, so no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 numbers the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row for number the 1. The 2 is missing. Can I count? And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. One box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Wow. Do we fold the 9s? And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 6 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Yeah, we have a pair here. So here we have a pair. That means that this box cannot be an 8 anymore. This box should be a 6 then. And that box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 4. Now we have an 8 here, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 4. 4 in the last row, 4 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. 30 minutes. Exactly 13 minutes. Told you. Cannot be a 4 stars. Impossible. It's the 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.